Think he started yet? He might look like it, but he ain't ready. How about that guy? He's not breathing as heavy. Anyway, we're at mile 6 at Brazos Bend State Park. Love this place. You know, ever since I told that one story about being in the golf business, it just kind of got me thinking about that whole time. And just the different stories that I was remembering, and, you know, how they can relate back to small business owners and that type of thing. One of them that came to mind, I remember playing at a golf tournament at Champions Golf Club. And this is before I actually moved to Florida to spend most of my golf career there. And played this tournament, played like crap. I want to say I shot 86 or something like that. And got one of the guys that I knew at the time saw me and goes, "Mark, what'd you shoot?" And I immediately start in on, well, I made this double bogey on such and such hole. I just got stuck behind a tree, and then I hit it in a bunker, and you know, I kept going on and on. And he goes, "Mark, what'd you shoot?" And I told him, I said it, eventually I said 86. He goes, "So you didn't play well." Let me explain something to you. And this is a saying that in golf that I'll never forget, but it pertains to us in small business as well. And he goes, "Mark, there's no room for explanation on the scorecard." Now, the reason I bring that up, what's our scorecard? Our scorecard's the financial statements. So you think it's important to read those financial statements? Understand those financial statements? They're a great diagnostic tool. If you're tracking information, I'll relay it back to golf again for a minute. You know, one of the numbers that's often tracked in golf is fairways hit, right? You golfers will know that, but it's a measure for the non-golfers. It's basically a measure of your accuracy off of your first shot off of the tee. So anyway, if you're not hitting the fairways, that can be a diagnostic tool. Going back to the financial statements, same thing. You may see that, you know, hey, I've got great revenue, but where's my gross profit? Somewhere I've got costs that are too high. That's just one example, but the financial statements are a fantastic diagnostic tool, and I encourage all small business owners to really get much, much deeper into their financial statements. So anyway, that's just kind of my thought for the day. Talk to you guys later. If you guys are reading your financial statements, though, tell me how you're doing it in the comments. I love to hear what you're doing, and we'll talk to you later.